we will discuss about new topic about Windsor Castle, Kremlin, and Western Watch. So we have discussed about human rights in 15 meeting. Nice. Now in this slide, you can look, there are three villages. The first is Windsor Castle in Berkshire, UK, and then the second is Kremlin in Moscow, Russia, and then the third is Western Watch in Netherlands. And this is what brief history from history place. The first is Windsor Castle. Windsor Castle was built as a modern and pale castle by William the Conqueror, converted into stone by Henry II of England, 1165 to 1179. The shell keep tower was rebuilt by Edward III of England, 1927 up to 1377. The castle was then added to and modified many times over the centuries. And the second is Kremlin. The Moscow Kremlin was founded by Prince Yuri Dolgorukai in 1156. He ordered the construction of a wooden fort in Moscow. Meanwhile, the present-day Moscow Kremlin was erected in the 15th century. Moscow Prince Ivan the Great dreamed of building a capital city that matched the splendor of Constantinople. So he brought in architects from Italy. Unfortunately, at the beginning of the 18th century, the Russian capital was moved to St. Petersburg, so that the Moscow Kremlin was no longer the residence of the Tsars. However, after the revolution, the Bolsheviks moved the capital to Moscow and settled in Kremlin. And then Western Porch. Construction of Western Porch Palace started in 1945. Its initial function was as a summer residence. It was Princess Amalia herself who was the driving force behind its construction. The palace was designed by Peter Voss. And then it is the last slide about Queen Elizabeth lived in Windsor Castle, William Wooten lived in Kremlin, and King William lived in Western Porch. Yes, maybe we can discuss this.
Okay.
But
Before discussing, Mr. Alvon, you can choose one of the history. Which one do you want to choose? There are three villages. You can look at the Windsor Castle, and then Kremlin, and then Western Porch.
Yes.
So from the three period or three different castle, different palace, and you can choose one of the. Yes, I want first. You can choose one. Which one?
Maybe Kremlin.
Kremlin. Fine. Okay, thank you very much. And Fiona, choose Kremlin. Then listen carefully. I would like to repeat your voice for reading it. The Moscow Kremlin was founded by Prince Yuri Gorky in 1156. He ordered the construction of the wooden fort in Moscow. Construction of a wooden fort in Moscow. Meanwhile, the present-day Moscow Kremlin was erected in the 15th century. Moscow brands even the greater dream of the building a capital city that matched the splendor of Constantinople. So he brought in architect from Italy, okay, from Italy. Unfortunately, at the beginning of the 18th century, the Russian capital was moved to St. Petersburg, so that Moscow Kremlin was no longer the residence of the Tsar. However, after the revolution, the Bolsheviks moved the capital to Moscow and settled the Kremlin. Okay. Which one uh, important for you? Yes, where is important for you?
The most important is the founder, right? Prince Yuri Dolgoruk. Okay. Is the most important.
And if you look from the founded by Prince Yuri Dukov in 1156. So I think it is before Saint Petersburg or after Saint Petersburg when 1156.
Before.
Yes, before. And then you can look at this construction, not from building, because I look when and then now, yes, now Kremlin, yes, there is no wood but only building. Yes, only building.
Yes.
There is no wood. But if
Yes.
you can look at the construction in the past or in the last, there is using by wooden fort in Moscow. And then so you can look at palace not from building, modern building, but maybe you can call it traditional, yes, because built from wood, yeah. But I don't know how many woods that I want to need, yeah, because actually
The palace
we
is so
know that yes, palace is so big, palace is so wide, so I think needs more than uh, maybe more than 100 woods, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, like that. Then, so what's your reason? Go on.
My reason about
Yes. What's your reason about my opinion?
yes, I agree with you. Maybe the construction needed maybe 1,000 yes, maybe the wood.
Then,
You
yes, and then
know?
construction of wooden fort in Moscow. Then uh, you can feel, you can think, and maybe like what, yeah, you can explain me, yes. So if now in Saint Petersburg, what's that? Kremlin now like what, and then in the past like what, so you can think it more. Okay, you can take the shadow. You know shadow? Yes, shadow based on your thinking. You know shadow? Shadow means bayangan, right? You can take your shadow. Maybe what is the how is the condition, or what was that about the Moscow in the past, because there is palace from wood, okay, not from building.
Yes.
Then
Isn't it the name of Saint Petersburg? Just some years, yes, before Saint Petersburg, the name is Leningrad.
like what?
Before the name changed to Saint Petersburg,
Okay.
before this, the name is Leningrad.
Yeah, you're right. So it's different name and different condition, because you look is that before 14th century, because it is different when Constantinople come. Yeah,
Yes.
you know, you can look in the history Constantinople.
Yes.
Well, and then after that, the different again means you know that the what's it? The architect, it is not the original Russia, but from Italy.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
so it can
if
make a new culture.
yes. So Kremlin is fusion behind Russian and Italy.
Yes, and then you can look at this. Maybe you can explain me kind of the. You can look the playlist, please. Open your playlist.
This.
Okay.
This is only in the outside. Maybe next week
Yes. When you go, sorry, when you visit Italy, you can look how can be shared by your thinking or by your opinion. May you can describe it, the condition of building there, and Kremlin. Okay, when you visit Italy, like what the condition of building there.
I forgot.
Forgot? Okay, and then based on the picture, so you can look it. Where is the Italy culture maybe? Dari gambar itu kira-kira mana yang menunjukkan budaya Italy? You can look the monument.
Yes.
Yes. You can look in front of left. Where is the location of Colosseum? Roma, Italy. It is same.
In Rome.
It is same style. Look at. There are some windows, you know? Yes. We have to identify the picture. Okay. Can explain this. I give you 5 minutes for explain.
Explain about?
It's about this condition of this building.
Oh yes. And I forgot to say the meaning of Kremlin is fortresses or citadel, and then oh yes, and then but if the Kremlin Palace, it
Mm-mm.
is adopted from Italy.
Yeah,
The gold.
yeah.
So just like Italy
It,
architecture.
yes, and then it can be signed if actually Russian don't have what's that modern architect, but they have best traditional architect because it's kind of the after Napoleon maybe in 15th century, right?
In 15th century,
In 15th century, maybe like that.
after Napoleon.
Yes.
On Napoleon won 70s.
Oh, you can look at this fact.
Oh,
Yes, at this fact you can open again. Okay, try for finding your text. Okay,
this.
find. Okay, look at me. Then, as Moscow France, Ivan the Greater dream. Kremlin was erected in the 15th century,
Yes.
right? Then Moscow France, Ivan the Great the dream. Yeah, great dream of building a capital city. Nah, itu tujuannya pertama adalah membangun sebuah ibu kota gitu.
Yes.
Icon ya,
Yeah.
maybe like that ya, icon. Maybe in Pasuruan ikonnya itu apa ya? What's that ya? Ponagung ya. Oh, Ponagung di Pasuruan. So there is no icon in Pasuruan. Yes, there is no icon. So I think uh, what's the icon? Cannot when I talk about church, Antonio Padua, it is the icon. No, actually, the Netherlands will it in under the what's that? Under Vereniging Outstanding Company government.
Hmm.
Okay, then what again? And then like what?
Yes. So in Ivan the Great era, Constantinople is very famous city, very famous city in the world. This in Ivan the Great era.
Yes, and then yes, you can look at this. Now, however, after the revolution, the Bolsheviks moved the capital to Moscow. And then, so you can look at this. Where is the capital before Moscow? Where is the location? Where is the location? The
Saint
position,
Petersburg. Yes.
Saint Petersburg. And then, is there a different place between Moscow and Saint Petersburg?
Yes,
Yeah,
different.
right. And then, settle in
Yes, but
what?
Moscow and Saint Petersburg is
Same.
same. Yes.
Yes. Near like that, yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
near. Yes.
Yes, all right. Good.
Maybe like
Uh,
Jakarta with Tangerang like that.
Mm-mm. Well, good. And then you can show it.
Mm. Yes, but my Ivan the Great very interest with
Oh yes. And then
Constantinople. Yes. Yes, but why Ivan the Great very interest with splendor of Constantinople.
well, good. Splendor of Constantinople, building a capital city that matches the. So it is like a dream, yes.
Yes.
Okay, and then.
But his dream attained. Yes.
Yes, I know it. And then.
Yes. So in the past, Kremlin is the palace of the king, queen.
Yes, I know.
Yes. But why you very interested with Kremlin is?
Yes, because there are many kind of references we can study it. You can look at this from the history, from the architect. Okay, actually, maybe some people if don't know, maybe it is thing from this Russian. Okay, from Russian, but
Yes.
and the fact no. Okay, right? It is from
Yes.
Italy. You can look at the monument. It's the what's that? Almost same, yeah, with the Colosseum in Rome.
Yes.
Then you can look at the picture, right? Uh,
And
yeah.
behind the palace there is churches.
Okay. Then, okay. Is there any finish for you?
Oh, isn't it 7 minutes again? Unless I
Yes.
will add it.
Yes. After we have stopped, then you have to find
Join.
out the conclusion by typing in PPT without looking the text. Without looking the picture, Mr. Afon want to know how many sentences that you can share, that you can get, that you can take, that you can give about the Kremlin. Okay, right? You know what I mean?
Also, when
Yeah, after that, after you join again. Okay, no problem.
I will tell about Kremlin.
Yes,
PPT.
uh, you can typing the text. Okay, after that you can read. Then enough. Okay, but you cannot look. You can look the text. No, and just have to real. Okay, real condition after you know the condition. What's that between uh, history or before history and after history, like that. Okay.
No,
Yes, after that because it will stop. So Mr. Afon will stop the recording.